Hi, my name is Subidai and I am from Batch 26 Competing Group. Today I am here to demonstrate the exam replacement assignment. Now I begin here by showing the GUI of this system, which is Employee Management System. I'm going to show the GUI of this program. Let's start from adding employee. Here I'm going to add random ID, name and addresses. And she's from IT department. Let's say now let's say her salary is this much. Now let's include her photo. um, let's include some of the random pictures and submit it here. The employee has been added successfully in the database. Now I'm going to show you the database of this management system. We have added the employee. Sorry, it's this one. We have successfully added the employee and now I'm going to show you the other function of this program. Now we can view the table here as well, and this is the information we just added in our uh, program. Now we can edit this. Let's edit her name. It's been successfully edited, which you can see here, as well as in our database. Let's see. Yeah, it's been edited successfully. Now I'm going to show you by deleting this. Yes, it's been successfully deleted. Now I'm going to show you the searching function of this program. Now let's search with employee ID 3. Yeah, it's been searched. It's been searched. We can use this function. In this program I have unit tested of the 3 algorithms. Here you can see. Here I am going to run this testing. It's been successfully run. Now I'm going to show you other function running. I just show you a unit testing of add employee, just like I'm going to show you of database. It's been successfully run. Like this, I have done unit testing of Vue employee as well, which has been running successfully. Here's the uh, unit testing functions algorithm written, and in this algorithm I have used linear searching, which transfers completely, and if the element matches in the list, then it returns the item, otherwise it shows the null value. So unit testing has been successfully done here. Now in this project I have used linear searching and delete functions, edit functions, and many more, which completes the assignment. I also have included the images. Here we can see the code and algorithms for images, for deleting, updating, for searching, and many more. I have been using MySQL as a database system. Thank you.